Yeah, so from our perspective, there definitely is a pathway to 3,000. Our end of year 2025 target for gold is 2,900 per troy ounce, so a smidge off that 3,000 number. Look, what is driving that? Look, in the end, what is driving that is that gold is the ultimate credit hedge. And by that, I mean every currency, every fiat currency in the end is, to some extent, a limited extent, but still some extent, a credit trade. Fiscal profligacy seems to be the order of the day in the US with the incoming administration. We just heard from the previous person about this. So that ultimately should form a relatively robust backdrop to gold appreciation. The one thing that I will say is you pointed this out, obviously fiscal profligacy comes at the cost of a stronger dollar, and that stronger dollar is ultimately bearish commodities and in particular bearish gold. So that's the one factor that's offsetting it. Timing it is really the question here. It's not the if we will hit 3,000, it's when we'll hit 3,000 or 2,900, and that's a much more complicated thing to get right.
Ben, you pointed to an interesting contradiction which has been in place for some time now, and that is gold and a dollar have been moving in the same direction, which isn't usually the case, right? The classic relationship is inverse. They move in opposite directions. If you think gold 3,000 is a matter of when and not if, how is that going to happen if dollar continues to stay strong, if not get stronger?
I think that is exactly the question. Who's going to win this tug of war here? Like you pointed out, usually you have an inverted relationship. The question is, when the world is going to normalize. And quite frankly, my guess is as good as yours here.